All Manipur Students Union AMSU today observed the 54th Hunger Marches Day across Manipur. Floral tributes were paid at the memorial site of departed student leaders located at Pisum Hill, Imphal. It is worth mentioning that AMSU leaders laid down their lives during a protest against artificial famine on this very day of 1965. The main event was held at DM College campus, Thangmaiban, Imphal. A Thangta team from Manipur representing the nation today left Imphal to participate in the World Martial Arts Festival to be held in South Korea from August 29 to September 6. The Babysana Joint Action Committee has said it will take up fresh agitation if Chief Minister N. Biren fails to hand over the case of Babysana to Central Bureau of Investigation by September 31st, according to a new release by the JSC. Laishram Purnima Devi Handloom and Handicraft Development Society, Hairok, Thoubal District distributed 30 looms to women weavers for the first phase. The step has been taken up by the society to improve the financial condition of women weavers. The 8th monsoon session of Manipur Legislative Assembly will conclude today. As per reports, a question-hour session is underway in the House. The 21-day-long summer school training program on agricultural education, entrepreneurship and skill development under the aegis of Education Division ICAR New Delhi kickstart at Central Agricultural University Imphal today. The training program is organized by Directorate of Instruction, Central Agricultural University. The White House claimed helping reduce India-Pakistan tension is one of the 5 big takeaways from the just concluded G7 summit. The White House in its daily roundup said a message of unity, securing a $1 billion trade deal, promoting the United States-Mexico-Canada agreement, developing stronger trade with Europe and helping to reduce India-Pakistan tension are the big 5 takeaways.